welcome, boys. In this video, we're going to be installing these new wipers on our 2002 Crown Vic. This car, both wipers are the same size, 22 inches long. Your vehicle may vary if you're watching this just to learn how to do it on a different vehicle. But for this particular vehicle, the Crown Vic, and specifically this year, 22 inches both sides. We're going to put the Rain-X Silicone Endura on here. This was rated #1 by Consumer Reports best wipers. So that's what we're going with. This is a daily. This one gets the best wipers. Now, to get these off, the current ones were some, I don't even know, something I bought from Amazon and they were super cheap. The reason you may want to replace these is if they're bad. If you're coming up on a safety inspection and they're obviously ripped or torn, or they make an excessive amount of noise, or they're cracked, or there's something obvious like that that makes them no good. So to get these off, we have to squeeze here, lift this up, and then we can pull it free from that hook. And if you look at this wiper, it has separated here. So as it wipes, this part isn't wiping anything, it's all flopping around, and that's how I know this is bad. And also, it makes a loud noise, so it's 100% shot. Winter is coming, and I want some good wipers for the winter time. There's literature in here, but I don't think you're going to need that. So, this is going to protect the blade. Remove that before you put it on. And it's going to be just like we removed it, where the hook mechanism is going to hook in through here, and then this clip will hold it in place. So that's hooked all the way, I think. There we go. Snapped in place, locked in place. Driver side, same procedure on the passenger side. I'll catch you over there.
Go.
Alright, same deal. We got to squeeze, then lift. And I parked these wipers up by activating them and then stopping, shutting off the ignition while they were part of the way up. That's easier to for me to grab them. You don't have to, though. If you feel like reaching all the way on that side, you can. Of course, by doing so, I now have to reach to do the passenger side, so I guess it's kind of a wash. So, same deal. Hook goes in through here. Pull it until it locks. Done. That's how you install Rain-X Silicone Endura 22-inch, both sides, 2002 Ford Crown Victoria. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helps. And I'll catch you boys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.